here to teach you Caught Up in the Country. It's a high-level improver dance, 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts. Okay, you start with your weight on your left foot, and you're going to shuffle to your right, just a side shuffle, right, left, right. You're going to rock forward on your left and recover on your right and do a quarter sailor turn to your left. Sailor, step, and then a right kick ball change. Kick ball change. Okay, that's the first 8 counts. Let's go through that. So it's side shuffle, cross rock, recover, left sailor, step, right kick ball change. Let's do it again. Ready? Right side shuffle, rock, left, recover, left sailor, step, right kick ball change. Okay, let's try it with the counts. Ready? 1 and 2, rock 3, recover 4, 5 and 6, kick 7 and 8. Okay, let's move on to the next set of 8. We're going to walk forward on our right and left and do a low kick with our right, step back with our right, and do a left coaster step. And then you're going to step forward on your right and do 2 claps. Okay, a little hard to clap with a microphone. All right, so let's go through that. Ready? You're going to walk right, left, low kick right, step back, left coaster step, stomp, clap, clap. Okay. Again, walk right, left, kick, step back, left coaster step, stomp, clap, clap. Okay, the counts on that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, let's do that from the top. Ready? Side shuffle. Rock forward, recover. Sailor step. Kick ball change. Walk, walk. Kick step back. Left coaster step. Stomp, clap, clap. Okay, the next set of 8. After that stomp, your weight should be on the right foot, and you're going to rock forward on the left, recover on the right, and do a left coaster step. And then you're going to rock forward on your right and do a half turn shuffle to 3 o'clock. Shuffle, turn. Okay, let's go through that again. Your weight was on your right. You're going to rock left, recover, left coaster step, rock right, recover, half shuffle, turn. Okay, let's do it with the counts. Ready? Rock 1, recover 2, 3 and 4, rock 5, recover 6, 7 and 8. One more time, a little quicker. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weight should be on your right now. Okay, let's try it again from the top. Ready? Side shuffle. Rock, recover, quarter sailor step. Kick ball change. Walk, walk. Kick step back. Left coaster step. Step, clap, clap. Rock left, recover. Coaster step. Rock right, recover. Shuffle, turn. You should be facing 3 o'clock now. We're going to do our last set of 8. You're going to step forward on your left and flick back with your right, just a little bend in the leg there, and then step back on the right and do a low kick with the left. So it's step, flick, step back, kick. And the count on that part is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to end with stepping down on the left, step out right, out left, sway right and left. Okay, so it's down with the left, right, left, sway, sway. Okay, let's put that 8 counts together. step, flick, back, kick, step, out, out, sway, sway. Okay, the count on that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's a little quicker on the out, out part. So it's, again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put it together from the top. Ready? Shuffle right, rock, recover, quarter sailor step, kick, ball change, walk, walk, kick right, step back, left coaster step, stomp, clap, clap, rock left, recover, coaster step, rock right, recover, shuffle, turn, step, flick, step back, kick, step, 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 sway, sway. All right, let's go through the rest of our walls. You should be facing 3 o'clock, your second wall, and we'll go around to the front. Ready, side shuffle, rock, recover, quarter sailor step, kick, ball change, walk, walk, kick, step back, coaster step, step, clap, clap, rock left, recover, coaster step, rock right, recover, shuffle, turn, step, flick, step back, kick, step, 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 sway, sway, side shuffle, rock, quarter sailor step, kick, ball change, walk, walk, kick, step back, coaster step, step, clap, clap, rock left, recover, coaster step, rock right, recover, shuffle, turn, step, flick, back, kick, step, 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 sway, sway, side shuffle, rock, recover, quarter sailor step, kick, ball change, walk, walk, kick, step back, coaster step, step, clap, clap, rock, recover, coaster step, rock, recover, shuffle, turn, step, flick, step back, kick, step, 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 sway, sway. All right, that's all 4 walls. Now, and the one part that at the end where you step, flick, back, kick, step, 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 that step, 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 you could do a left coaster step there if you want, if it's easier. So anyhow, thanks for dancing with me. All right, here's the demo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, rock, quarter sailor, kick, ball change, walk, walk, kick, step, coaster, step, back, rock, shuffle, step, flick, back, kick, step, 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 sway, sway, shuffle, rock, quarter sailor, kick, ball change, walk, walk, kick, step, coaster, step, clap, clap, rock, shuffle, turn, step, flick, back, kick, step, 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 sway, sway, shuffle, rock, quarter sailor, kick, ball change, walk, walk, kick, step, coaster, step, rock, coaster, rock, shuffle, turn, step, flick, back, kick, step, 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 sway, sway, shuffle, cross, quarter sailor, kick, ball change, walk, walk, kick, step, coaster, step, clap, clap, rock, coaster, rock, shuffle, turn, step, flick, back, kick.
Must be a billion of them, just doing their thing. You're our God put them. If it's ain't here, then it's halfway there. You can feel it in the air. Caught up in the country. The only way I wanna be. Somewhere where the road ends, out there where the creek bends. That's where you can find me. Within fields of gold and cotton rolls that never reveal sky. Take it slow, easy roll, man, it's life. Caught up in the country. country.
Thanks for watching.